Dinner for two. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
That's good.
I gotta give it up to Dick. He's probably the most romantic guy on the planet.
Yeah, he's got the moves, no doubt about it.
I bet this is where he's gonna ask Jen to marry him.
Maybe.
We were able to get everything you asked for this morning, except the sticks of cheese in the shape of a heart.
Cheese sticks? Did you set this up?
I wanted a do-over for that first date fiasco. I'm better than that.
Isitandaan siya ngumunye nangeniswa, which means lovers long for the moment their souls may blend in a whisper. Let this be your moment.
Did you eat pork chops with tuna fish today at lunch?
Yes, I did.
I can tell.
He smells. He said, did you eat pork chop with tuna fish today?
I brushed him twice, and did you really call me Lollipop? Just for the record.
I know, I just like to have fun. Jim Friedman. Whoa.
That was good.
Thank you, Ramona.
I'm the fat dude showing up everywhere. You were in my shower this morning. Very nice time with him, too.
Oh, look, he take it off.
Oh, thank you so much. Hey, Bubbles, nice wiggle, but you grew a tail.
Here's looking at you.
That's funny.
I'm really looking at you because you're actually looking at me this time.
You have the most beautiful
Corny.
kids.
Oh, thank you.
He's very fun, too.
You're a pretty good mom yourself.
Aw.
I'll take that.
Tyler has to talk to you on Saturday,
Yeah.
and I think that for the very first time, he won't actually be completely dreading it. To you.
Tell his father, the more he works with him, the more he's going to get confident, the more he's going to throw the ball anytime he gets up there.
That's not really into working with him, you know. To do that, he has to show up, which is not good.
You got to show up for your kids. It should be